the lie that breaks the commandment and steals your rest. They say, Christ is our rest, while trampling on the fourth commandment. They preach, Jesus is our Sabbath, while they reject the very day he declared holy. But Jesus himself said, If you love me, keep my commandments. John 14:15. Not just 9, but all 10. Here's the truth that cannot be denied. 1 John 2:4. He that says, I know him, and keeps not his commandments, is a liar, and the truth is not in him. Matthew 15:9. In vain do they worship me, teaching for doctrines the commandments of men. Now I challenge every pastor, priest, imam, skeptic, and believer, prove it wrong. You cannot claim to love Christ while rejecting his law. You cannot say he is your rest while denying his Sabbath. It's time to confront the tradition and uphold the truth. Prove me wrong, if you can. Will you stand with God's commandments or with the traditions of men?